All right, so we've created a rocket, we've got into orbit. There's a video up for that. So now let's go ahead and record the apoapsis and periapsis in step 4 here for us being in orbit. So, sorry, wrong thing. So the periapsis is 96,974. And the apoapsis is 165,582 meters. Now, it says to save the game, so let's go ahead and save it. Next, it says create a maneuver node at the apoapsis with a small prograde maneuver. So let's go to the apoapsis. Add a maneuver node. This is our prograde indicator, so we'll put an indicator on there. All right, let's give it a little more. Yeah, exciting. All right. So it says execute the maneuver. So let's go ahead. We're going to fast forward until we're closer to our apoapsis. All right, now let's look at it. It says our burn is in 1 minute and 15 seconds, so we'll go a little bit farther. All right, we're going to lock onto our maneuver node. Notice the delta V required for this is only 133 meters per second. And we'll fire the engine here. All right, and I'll delete the node now that we've executed it. On our paper, we want the new apoapsis and periapsis. So the new periapsis is 165,472 meters, and the new apoapsis is 298,051 meters. So that's this. Now create a maneuver node at the periapsis. Add a small retrograde maneuver. So our periapsis is now here. A retrograde maneuver. And we'll fast forward. Notice when we created a prograde maneuver, it extended the orbit on the opposite side. Here we're creating a retrograde maneuver and it moves the orbit in on the other side. All right, so node in 22 seconds. Let's go ahead. We'll turn ourselves so we're lined up with that maneuver. All right, and I'll go ahead and fire the rocket. Come back to our orbit, we'll delete this node. So now we're going to have another new apoapsis and periapsis, and our new periapsis is 165,402 meters, and our new apoapsis is 190,196 meters. All right, now we're going to go back and load the file. And the reason we're doing this is just so that we have sufficient fuel. So load, save. All right. Rotate it so we can see above. Now we're going to continue this part in another video.